S. Medkari from Hana Instruments India Private Limited. Today we are going to learn how to calibrate your HI 3220 meter. Basically HI 322 meter is a 5-point calibration meter, microprocessor based meter, which has graphical LCD display and 5-point calibration with two custom buffers. So today we will just learn how to calibrate your meter for 7 pH and 4 pH. If you want to calibrate your meter for 5 calibration, 5 point, then you can go for 5-point calibration. But today we will learn how to calibrate for 4 pH and 7 pH. Just before switch on the instrument, make sure that all the accessories is connected properly to the meter, like electrode, like pH electrode, then temperature probe, then 12 volt DC adapter. Just switch on your instrument. It will show the Hana instrument logo, then loading log. If there is something in log, then it will directly show the normal measurement mode. So this is your primary display, which is showing 4.1 pH. It will show the pH. Then this is secondary display. It is showing the current temperature. Their temperature is 28.6. And this is the range selection button. If you want to change the range from pH to millivolt, you have to just press this button. It will show the relative millivolt, pH, and then millivolt. So this is just a normal procedure. For calibration, this is the calibration button. You have to press this cal button to calibrate your meter. Now we will learn how to calibrate your meter. Before calibrating, just clean your electrode with the small amount of distilled water. Make sure that there is no any contamination. Then just clean your electrode with a soft tissue paper. Now we are calibrating this instrument for 7 pH and 4 pH. If you have any another buffer, you can just calibrate. First, this is a 7 pH buffer solution. First, place your electrode and the temperature probe both at one time in the 7 pH buffer solution. So display is showing current value 7.01 and the calibration point. To go to the calibration mode, just press this CAL, that is means of calibration. Now the display is showing buffer 1, 7.01 pH value and temperature, and this is the current measurement value. If you want to calibrate your instrument for another buffer, you can just press the other you can just select the other calibration solution like 6.86, 4.01 or 1.68. But today we are calibrating your instrument for 7.01. It will take some time to calibrating. After that, the instrument will display confirm. At that time, you have to just press this confirm button. This is a confirm. So it means that your instrument is calibrated for 7.01. Now the instrument will show the next calibration point, that is a 4.01 pH, buffer 2. Before this, you have to just clean your electrode with a small amount of distilled water, and then just place your electrode and temperature probe in 4.01 buffer. So now your instrument is getting calibrated for the second buffer. After some time, the instrument will show the confirm here. At that time, you have to just place the confirm button, this. So now this is a confirm. You have to just press the confirm. Now you have calibrated your instrument for 2 point. If you don't want to calibrate your meter for 5 point, then you have to just press the escape. So we have already exited the calibration mode, and now your calibration is saved. If you want to see your calibration, then you have to go to the GLP mode. For the GLP mode, just press menu and just hit the GLP button. So see, this is the GLP data. Your instrument is calibrated on 5th of April. This is the time, and this is the first point, second point, and this is your slope and offset and the electrode condition. Now your instrument is calibrated for 4 and 7. Now you can just clean your electrode with the distilled water and you can check other standard or your sample. So this is just a calibration of 3220. Thanks.